The mining industry is facing the challenge of increasing productivity while staying focused on safety and reliability. For mining applications, Voith provides intelligent drive components which are enabled to operate in innovative automated network systems. Voith chutes, pulleys, and fluid couplings are extremely robust, ensuring safe and reliable operation even in harsh environments. The TurboBelt 500 TPXL utilizes the latest control technology and relies on hydrodynamic power transmission. In combination with the intelligent cascaded speed and torque control software, it always guarantees smooth conveyor operations. The outstanding controllability extends the belt lifetime and avoids unexpected downtime. At steep drift or overland conveyors, the TT linear booster drive increases the drive power and reduces the belt forces significantly. The possible use of lower rated belt and downsized structure help to reduce the total belt conveyor capex by nearly 20%. The Voith TurboBelt drive control system is the core of the operational data network. It controls the conveyor behavior and features integrated self-diagnostics, conditioning monitoring, as well as active load sharing. Our Voith experts are ready to support you through the remote service capability, even beyond commissioning. Start your intelligent mining project today with the proven reliability from Voith.